Jamaica.
Brown boss.
Brown Boss Day.
Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yes, my people, so I'm back at it again. In this video today, I'll give you my first drone flight of the construction of the Pinnacle right here in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. And this project is taglined Jamaica's exquisite new residential world. So indeed, this will be a game changer here for Western Jamaica, and by extension the entire island. I am super excited about this new project here in Montego Bay, and the fact that I'm able to capture the progress of its development is something to be proud about. So I'm just driving right now down Bold Road heading to Reading so I can show you the entrance from that part. Then I'm going to drive up AGS Combs Road so I can show you the entrance from that part as well. So you'll be seeing the first tower revealing itself shortly. Yes guys, they have come a far way. And I did a video on this back in September 2024, so you can check that out. Right now you can see that there is a stoplight that was installed right here, which is very awesome, you know, to control traffic in this area. The last time when I came here to video, there wasn't any traffic lights. So here is a map right now of the Pinnacle right here on the Peninsula at Reading. Yes guys, so here is the flashback from September 2024 when I just came here. As you can see, there was no tower. They were just having the foundation prepared, where they had to dig about 180 feet into the ground. So here you can see there was no stoplight at that moment. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you the current situation. Gonna do a walk by right now of this area, and then I will fly the drone so that you can see the Pinnacle from an aerial perspective. Yes guys, this is a very busy and dangerous roadway right now. You have to look, you know, before you cross, and the vehicles, they go super fast. So I had a hard time crossing the road before they had the stoplight installed. Now it's installed, it's pretty easy to cross right now, so I'm thankful for that. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you the drone footage shortly so that you can see the level of progress in this area. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Now you can see another flashback from September 2024 where I show you guys the update of the commercial and shopping center right there on your screen. But now I'm going to be airborne and I'll show you the latest update here in April 2025. Look at that commercial and shopping center, guys. Seems as if it's almost completed. Look at that. It's going to be a massive one for the entire community of people who are going to be living here. And I heard that some of the windows and doors have been installed already. All right, there you have the first tower, and you can see the elevator mechanism there transporting the workers. And you can see the workers there on the top, busy at work, trying to get this project completed in a timely manner. So I'm going to give you some updates right now. This information was taken from the pinnaclejamaica.com website and the Jamaica Observer article that was published on April 21st, 2025. Visualize the plaza on New York's Fifth Avenue, the Savoy on London's River Thames, or the Pullman located a stone's throw from the Eiffel Tower in France. Those are the circles now being traveled by LCH Development Limited's US $450 million, the Pinnacle Project. This will be nestled on a 17.5-acre peninsula in Redding, Montego Bay, Jamaica. That will house a commercial and shopping center, 4 high towers. Each tower will be 28 stories and offering breathtaking ocean, lagoon, and mountain vistas. 3 of these structures will feature 417 luxury residences and 12 private villas, while the 4th will house a 240-key luxury hotel under a prestigious brand. Residents can choose from diverse layouts, including 1 or 2 or 3 bedroom apartments and 4 and 5 bedroom penthouses. LCH Development Limited is thrilled to announce a groundbreaking partnership with Ennismore, a joint venture with Accor holding a majority stake, to bring 2 of Ennismore's world-renowned brands to Jamaica. CEO of LCH Development Limited, Yang Lee, on the left, signs on the dotted line as LCH Chief Operating Officer Tanya Golab. Second left, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, second right, and Executive Vice President of Development for the Americas at Ennismore, Jason Sayang, if I pronounce that correctly. The occasion was a recent signing ceremony in Montego Bay, St. James, for the Pinnacle's partnership and landmark agreement with Accor and Ennismore. This collaboration will elevate the Pinnacle Project and herald a new era of luxury lifestyle hospitality on the island, marking the debut of Ennismore and Accor in Jamaica. The specific brands will be revealed later in 2025. An estimated 400 jobs will be created during the construction phase, providing a significant boost to local communities beyond its economic impact. The Pinnacle aims to attract discerning global travelers seeking unparalleled luxury in the Caribbean. The Pinnacle embodies our vision for a sophisticated Jamaican future, shared Yang Lee, CEO of LCH Developments. We envision a community that fosters economic growth and opportunities for our people while catering to a discerning lifestyle, seamlessly blending Jamaican heritage with cosmopolitan flair. This partnership with Ennismore and Accor marks a pivotal milestone for the Pinnacle, stated Tanya Golab, not sure if I pronounced that word correctly, Chief Operating Officer of LCH Development Limited. This collaboration provides a unique opportunity for Jamaica through the Pinnacle to enter the branded residence market, supported by the world's second largest branded residence operator. This sets a new benchmark for luxury in Jamaica, significantly contributing to and enhancing Jamaica's position as a premier global destination. Phil Rehan, if I pronounce that correctly, head of Americas for Ennismore, said, "We're excited to expand Ennismore's presence in the Caribbean through this visionary project. This partnership reflects our commitment to bringing culturally rich lifestyle-driven hospitality to new destinations with the support of local partners who align with our values. This project reaffirms Ennismore's commitment to growing in the Americas, a crucial growth focus for the group. Residents and guests at the Pinnacle will enjoy an elevated lifestyle enriched by an array of hotel-inspired offerings and thoughtfully curated amenities. These include exclusive private clubs, state-of-the-art wellness centers, global culinary experiences, and dedicated concierge and property management services, all crafted to deliver effortless luxury and refined living. Phase 1, made up of towers 1, the Swallowtail, and number 2, the Canary, along with 7th-floor parking, is expected to be completed by 2027. Construction on towers 1 and 2 is progressing rapidly, with local construction firm Brothers Concepts and Solution Limited achieving a pace of 3 completed floors per month. The total development plan completion date will be in the year of 2029. Alright, so that will be fast approaching, guys. Let me know what you think so far about the projection of the Pinnacle Project right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. LCH is counting on its announced partnership with Accor and Ennismore to boost interest and sales. This transformative development also underscores a mutual dedication to sustainability. The Pinnacle incorporates forward-thinking, eco-conscious elements such as solar power systems, rainwater harvesting infrastructure, and verdant living walls. Both Accor and Ennismore remain committed to achieving net zero carbon emissions by the year 2050. Yes, my people, feast your eyes right now of the Peninsula and Mangrove area right here in Reading, St. James. As you can see, cars going to like Negril or they're going into Montego Bay City. So it's a busy highway right now at this section here in St. James. In the distance, you can see Tara Estate. And as we go down further, you can see Pepsi Distribution Center, Red Stripe location, and also other areas. But yeah, look at the greenery right there in the hills, overlooking Bogue Hill and other areas. Let me know what you think about the overall progress right here in Montego Bay St. James for the Pinnacle. Do you think it's going to be a good investment for the people, or it's just for the rich to get even more wealth? Yeah, let me know what you think about this. Let's have a discussion about this in the comment section below. Secret star.